Here's my little private pool. Amazingly beautiful. Really feels good in the summertime. And there's another one of my little campsites over there, but I don't ever leave that one. Ah, yes. Just a little bit warmer and I'd jump in. It's actually probably warmer than the outside air. Seems like it stays about a constant 68, 70, even in July. The water's up a little more. It'll be like 12 feet deep over there. Pool's maybe 25 feet wide, 40 feet long. And that little rock ledge is about a 10-foot high dive, maybe 12. And I think people have been jumping off that rock for hundreds of years because the two places where you put your feet are worn down about an inch on the edge. Two of them. Indians probably jumped off this. Now I'm jumping off of it.